All right, you guys, let's talk about wood burning tool sets. I received this as a gift to show you guys all about it. So it's really cool. The first thing is it does come with this little bitty stand here. Now, make sure wherever you put it, I was putting it here and it was kind of dragging a little bit. So just kind of play with it to figure out where the best spot is. So I've adjusted it there. I've put it here, but I have a wood table, so if it gets on my wooden table, it's going to burn it. It did burn a hole in my pants when I dropped it, so it gets very hot. It does get up to 500 degrees Celsius is the max, and then you can adjust it over here with the button and just lower the number. It's also really easy to change out the tips. I do have it on. All you have to do is unscrew this little portion here. This pops off and that pops off, and then you're able to adjust it and use all these different kinds of burning tips you have in here. So it came with 15 burning tips, 10 soldering tips. There's just a bunch of different kinds in here. So let me show you this first one I have on here. It's really cool. It's almost like a snowflake. I've done some on the back. This is not what I want to have on my front design, but all you got to do is just hold it down and it's going to put that design on there for you. And then of course, if you're like, oh, I need to do like a quick line, you could do a line with it. If you didn't want to do this design per se, but it's really hot. It's going to get the job done for you. I just did this on the front with the little tip that it originally came with, just the real pointy one. It does come with number and letter stencils that you can trace. You have to trace the letter onto the object. Do not hold this down and then try to trace in it. You're going to melt the plastic, of course. But the cool thing about this guy is that it comes with a lot of different tips. So, of course, it's going to be, like some pointy ones in here, like that one. All kinds of different tips here that you can use. But it's really cool how it has, like ooh, they're really hard. That's a heart. This one, like a little bird. It's a square. A star. And then this one is like a little clover. But then there's also a moon, cross. Oh goodness, they're in there. That kind of design. And then you just had some like pointier tips. You also have, it does come with some blades in here if you needed these. If you needed these for your utensils. So many different options in here for you to use to get your wood burning crafts done. So if you're looking for a wood burning kit, this would be one that I would definitely recommend you check out.